What up, you guys? We back at it again with another video, and today we are building a brand new Shadow SX Strike powered by Throne Cycles, 60 volt, 5,000 watts, and we have the color blue. Let's unbox this bike and see how it's looking. I can't wait. Yes, sir, y'all. We got the brand new 60 volt Shadow Strike Blue Viper. Yeah. Blue one's nice, right? Yes, sir. In the box, we have our 60 volt charger. I got my boy helping me out today. Appreciate you. These are the only things that will come disassembled. You'll have your front rim, your toolkit, your front pad, and your front plate with your front fender. That all you have to do is install. Let's get the bike going. Yes, sir.
How fast that one goes?
Like 50.
50?
Let's get these bars off. It is?
It's tough,
You like it?
I like the most.
Yes, sir, y'all. Look, man, I grew up here. We're in the Bronx. These are my little mans. And they help me out a lot. See where we're building the bike. Nothing too crazy, nothing too extra, man. It's a vibe. Let's go. Wait till y'all see my new bike. G27. Guys, this blue is something else. It's actually amazing. This might be my favorite stripe. Color on this one is just amazing, y'all. We do need some gold forks on this stuff. Throw it, man. Battery. Thank you. 3,000. Thank you, man. You too. A lot. Every other week I'm building a new bike.
They bring it to you, right?
Yeah, they send them to me, the companies and stuff. I do it for like YouTube and stuff.
What if you do it like to buy order one and I get it or you?
I get you a discount. Yeah.
That's a pretty bike.
Thank you.
That's what you blow.
Battery. Turn this bad boy on. Yes, sir. We officially built the 60 volt Shadow SX from Throne Cycles. This bike is a beauty. Oh shit. Yeah, for the most part, this color blue is nice. It's still the strike, so it's nothing different. But that color, solid 30 miles, no problem. Come on, strike, y'all know what y'all did. Y'all sent me the right color. Still gotta break in the brake, tires. Overall, it's a good bike. And it's a 60 volt. Still gotta burn out the tires.
Yes, sir. My son built the steak. Nah, that's way better than 72.
Alright, yeah, we just got to Randall's Island. About to test out the bike. Try to hit some blocks. You like it, right? She's nice, right? Yeah, it's a colored one. I just built it.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Now that shit is clean.
Good luck, bro.
They got rid of the fall driver?
Nah, it's a fall driver.
This is another bike.
It's a new bike.
New bike? Nah. Nah, it's crispy.
Good luck, bro. Yeah.
Difference between this and the 72.
Oh, it's a 60 volt, but new plastic.
New plastic.
Yeah. I'll make it 72 volt though.
You want me to hold this for you?
I wanted this one because it's not like my signature bike, so I'm gonna make this one like blue and yellow.
That's three. Back at your phone and follow me. In your crib, nigga.
Over there and snatched it, right?
What?
The key.
You out here taking niggas' keys?
Ooh la la.
You ready to try to strike? Let's go. Perfect. You look good on it.
Strike should give me one of these.
Strike, they should, right? Yes, sir, y'all. This is the end of today's video. We built a 60 volt strike.
Bravo, bravo, chona, nadie te puede igualar. Y la chona se mueve, y la gente le grita. No hay mejor que la chona, para la quebradita. Y la chona se mueve, al ritmo que le toquen. Ella baila de todo, nunca pierde su trote.
And by far, out of all the strikes I built, this is my favorite color. If you know, you know. It's the same color as my signature bike, and I can't wait to do a full upgrade on this. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, baby. Yes, sir.